Kyk, as mense hart het vir mense, dan is dit die lekkerste ding om terugvoering te kry. Kyk wat volg, kyk hierdie video.
My name is Melissa, and I'm here to discuss our interaction that we recently had with Okandivi Properties in Jeffreys Bay. When we sold our property in KZN, we decided to relocate to Jeffreys Bay. And as we'd never been there before, we really needed a good agent to sell Jeffreys Bay to us and, of course, find us the best property in the nicest area. So I made contact with Ruan Thomas. Ruan communicated very well and we connected immediately because he is a people's person. Ruan's knowledge of the local area helped a lot. He drove around and took videos of the streets and various suburbs, which is something I've never experienced with any other estate agent, especially with us being out of town. So suffice to say, within 1 week, we were down in Jeffreys Bay, and within a few days we'd purchased our home. Ruan just makes everything so easy, seamless, very patient man, and I would absolutely recommend Ruan Thomas at Okandivi to assist you with purchasing any properties in the future.
Hoe awesome is dit? As jy 'n huis wil koop, of jy 'n huis wil verkoop, kontak my. Ek sal vir jou die regte manier help.